Tom Piotrowski with a look at the markets. How are we opening up today? Tom, good morning.
Good morning, Pete. We're going to take a knock at the start of trade this morning. The futures are telling us we should be down by around 1.3%, reflecting a downward trend for Northern Hemisphere stocks. The thing to point out is that in the US, we saw some particularly strong economic news, Pete, on a number of fronts. Firstly, one of the highlights this week is the jobs data that's coming out. Tomorrow we have, or rather tonight, local time, we have the official non-farm payrolls figures in the US. It's a big deal. But the precursor to that is a report called the ADP report. This was like way stronger than what the market had anticipated. Almost 500,000 jobs added to the US economy last month, a little bit short of that, 490 odd. That was well above the 223 that the market had anticipated. In addition to that, we saw stronger activity in the US services sector. So as you might rightly imagine, the interest rate side of things rose quite substantially, where short and long-term interest rates are concerned last night, and that created headwinds for stocks. The S&P 500 down 0.75%. Tech stocks got caught up in this. The Nasdaq down 0.8%. But the European markets were down by a far greater margin. We had losses of around 2% in the case of the UK market, 3% in the case of the French market, and the German market was down by about 2.5%. So we'll be under a bit of pressure today, Pete.
Okay. Tom Piotrowski, thank you. We'll talk to you